This is the Nissan Z Proto. Sporting a bright yellow pearlescent paint, this color is a tribute to the first generation 240Z and the 300ZX. The shape of the hood and the teardrop-shaped LED headlights are both unmistakable reminders of the original Z. The roofline flows from the nose to the squared-off rear to create a distinctive first-generation Z profile whose rear edge was slightly lower than the front fender height, giving the Z its unique posture. The rear takes inspiration from the 300ZX taillights, reinterpreted for the modern world, which is set within a rectangular black section that runs across the rear and wraps around the outer edges. Lightweight carbon fiber treatment on the side skirts, front lip, and rear valence ensures nimble performance. And 19-inch alloy wheels and dual exhausts complete the Z Proto's striking road presence. Designed to fit driver and passenger like a glove, the Z Proto's cabin seamlessly blends modern technology with vintage Z touches. Yellow accents are found throughout the cabin, and the seats feature special accent piping and layered seat material to create depth. But make no mistake, the Z Proto packs a powerful punch, and under the hood is an enhanced V6 twin turbocharged engine matched with a 6-speed manual gearbox. As a prototype, work is now underway to synchronize the power with the grace and control that has defined the Z for the past 50 years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.